Let's learn or talk about the how to identify the death period or the fatal period by using Krishnamurti astrology. Krishnamurti astrology. There are a lot of astrological methods. Auma, Krishnamurti, Vedic. Each and every method have procedures to analyze death. You know, we all die. All of them want to prevent the death. Uh, you know, but I assure that death time and date will change. Anyone cannot predict the actual death time and the actual death time. But fatal periods can be analyzed. We call it mark periods can be analyzed. If there is a Buddhism, according to the Buddhism, we can prevent death using enlightenment, nibbana. We call it nibbana. There are four verdicts: arahat, sohan, sakurdagami, anagami. If we achieved one of the four verdicts, death can be prevented. According to the Buddhism, according to the Hinduism, someone can go directly to the heaven without a death. And we also experience uh, when someone have fatal periods, he can prevent that fatal periods. He can avoid that fatal periods using spiritual events between spiritual or the astrological events. But we can predict fatal times. We call it mark times. Someone can extend their lifetimes using astrological or spiritual methods. When we consider how to find the death period or fatal period, in Krishnamurti astrology, we consider first house and eighth house of the horoscope. First house and eighth house. We can calculate or we can name the houses. In the astrological chart, we call it birth chart. In birth chart, first house and for the anti-clockwise, we can calculate first to 12. Okay, in the calculation of the in the analyzing of the fatal period, most important point is the first house and eighth house. Okay, the lifespan is divided to short, medium, long lifetime. Up to 30, short lifespan. Up to 60, it's a medium lifespan. More than 60, we can call long lifespan according to the astrological methods. When we consider the fatal period, we consider these factors in horoscope. First, planets in 8th house, the lord of the 8th house, sublord of the 8th house, planetary vision for the 8th house, dasa or sabdasa periods, sublord of the first house. Okay, these factors should be considered to the analyze fatal periods. Fatal period. If there is a bad dasa periods, if there is a bad planet in the 8th house or the lord of the 8th house is a bad, or that will cause fatal periods. Okay, therefore we have to analyze those fatal periods and we should be vigilant if there is fatal periods, mark periods in our horoscopes. We should be vigilant. You have to identify these periods and then you can use remedies before bad things happens. If there is bad periods or fatal periods, accidents or bad illnesses may occur. I think you can understand the importance of identifying the fatal period. Then using first house and eighth house. We use first house to identify not for the fatal period, the lifetime. When we calculate our lifetime, not that accurate the lifetime, you know, approximate lifetime can be calculated using the first house according to Krishnamurti astrology. First house, if there's a bad planets or the sublord of the first planets, according to that we can analyze the lifetime. I think you should understand using this video, and thank you for listening.